In this province, we have about 26 billion rands infrastructure backlog, and that is one of the major challenges that we are facing. Shortage of suitable land that can accommodate, the number of communities that need houses. And there are challenges as well with planning, poor planning in a number of local authorities. So we are reacting to crisis because of poor planning, and so it's one of the challenges that we are facing. And also, lack of enough resources or inadequate resources. I think we should take, the lessons from a number of countries where we provide support, particularly for our beneficiaries, but allow the private sector to drive housing delivery. And it should not be the other way around. Right now, we have a number of legislations that are tripping us all over, that in a way, discouraging private sector to partner with us more meaningfully. And we need to change that. Private sector should be taking a lead. Our role as government should be to create conducive environment for private sector to be able to do its business. And also our role should be supporting, our clients, which is beneficiaries in this instance. And also to make sure that the infrastructure is there, but there's also a space for us to partner with private sector to deal with the infrastructure backlog. So right now, we are not making it easier for private sector to come on board in order to assist us in those challenges. So that is what we need to do. But private sector has a huge role, in unlocking the challenges when it comes to, housing. The reality is that the protests are not because nothing is being done. The protests are because the resources that we have, will never be able to deal with the demand that is out there. So more and more people, will feel, that we are not doing enough, or we are not working fast enough to deal with their plight as well. So it's understandable. There is no way that we'll ever, across the country, sustain giving people houses for free. It's unprecedented. It's not done anywhere in the world. What we need to do in the Western Cape, but more importantly as the country, is to attract investment, grow economy, and create jobs. And we really need to focus our attention there so that then people become involved and contribute towards, their houses. But if we think that we are going to use taxpayers' money to fund housing projects where people will get houses for free, it's madness. It's not going to happen. We must be realistic about that. So we must create, communities that will partner with government in development and not entrench this culture of dependence and entitlement. And that is what the government in this country is doing. So that has to change.